Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're checking out this TV98 2+16G ATV 8K TV stick. It boasts 8K video decoding, runs on Android 14 and is powered by an ARM Cortex-A53 quad-core processor. Sounds impressive, right? Well, let's see if it can live up to its shiny specs with a few giggles along the way. First up, the unboxing. The packaging is straightforward, nothing too fancy, but it gets the job done. Inside you'll find the TV stick, a remote that's seen better days, a HDMI cable, and a user manual that's more functional than inspirational. And a USB-C power cable. We also get this strange looking infrared receiver doodah thing, which is used to extend the range of the remote control. It's like opening a mystery box that tells you exactly what to expect. Design-wise, the TV stick is all about minimalism. Its sleek black finish is modern, though the plastic feels a bit light, kinda like a trendy gadget you bought on a whim. It's compact and won't hog your space, perfect for discreetly mounting on the back of your TV. Now there is a couple of cool features here, the first of them being this USB slot, which you can use to expand the storage on the device. Or you could even plug in a USB hub and connect endless USB devices like mice, keyboards. Another cool feature here is this microSD card slot, which is going to allow you to expand storage endlessly. Now for the specs, which sound almost too good to be true. CPU wise, we're getting a quad-core Cortex-A53 with a reported frequency of 2 GHz. It promises smooth performance, though it sometimes feels like it's taking a coffee break, but more about that later in the video. OS wise, we're getting Android 14, the latest software should mean better performance, but the interface occasionally feels like it's finding its groove. Now we're getting 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, perfect for your daily streaming needs, though heavy multitaskers might wish for a bit more elbow room. Now video decoding wise, it reportedly supports 8K and 4K, so in theory it should deliver crisp visuals if you don't mind a few hiccups along the way. Connectivity wise, we're getting dual band Wi-Fi, 2.4G and 5G, and Bluetooth 5 promises fast reliable connections, even if they occasionally remind you of an old school dial-up connection in a fun way. Setting up the stick is pretty straightforward, plug it into your TV's HDMI port, power it up, and follow the on-screen instructions. Boot up is smooth, a tad slow, what you expect from a budget stick. Setting up the remote is the only tricky bit, but just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be good to go. The user interface isn't the smoothest ride in town, but it's quirky enough to keep you entertained. And the remote, it might just lag just a tad, making you feel like you're part of an old school infomercial, but hey, that's part of its charm. Let's take a quick look at the device properties. It's a TV98 ATV 8K. Scrolling further down, we can see we're on Android TV OS version 14, but as we can see, the TV OS security patch is from 2022, which is a bit odd. If we look at inputs, it's showing quite a wide range. We're getting the full complement of CEC control, and under display and sound, you can see we're getting the full Android experience. But oddly enough, under HDMI output mode, we're not getting any 8K settings. And to be honest, I can't say I'm totally shocked about that. We are getting 4K at 60Hz, and we will be testing that out later on. There's also a TV HDR mode setting, which you can set to auto, standard or HDR, where the auto mode detects what you're watching and sets the display automatically. We're also getting 3 audio modes, and we can enable pass-through. Under the advanced sound settings, we've got some Dolby audio modes, and checking the storage, we do in fact have 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB storage. When it comes to performance, the TV stick does what it can. Apps load at a pace that might give you a moment to grab a snack, and streaming is generally smooth if you're not expecting a supercharged experience. The 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage are just right for casual use, though power users might notice a little lag when pushing it to its limits. So after my mediocre experience with the TV98 stick, I decided to take a look under the bonnet. And CPU wise, we are getting 4 Cortex-A53 cores running at up to 1.5 GHz, and shockingly the screen resolution is 1080p, not 4K or 8K as advertised. But we are getting the advertised 2 GB of RAM, but surprisingly not 16 GB of storage. Operating system wise, we are on Android 14, security patch level from 2023, and thermals seem to be holding out considering we're not doing much. So, is the TV98 2+16G ATV 8K TV stick worth your money? It certainly has its quirks, overhyped specs that fall short in execution. But if you're looking for an affordable way to upgrade your TV with smart features, and you can overlook a few minor hiccups, this device might just be your cup of tea. It's not perfect, but it is a fun, budget-friendly option for everyday streaming and casual use. Me personally, I would stick it in the spare bedroom with the kids and forget about it. Thanks for tuning in to this episode. And if you enjoyed this light-hearted look at the TV98, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and drop a comment with your own gadget adventures. Until next time, keep your tech fun and your expectations flexible.